Seems like a lifetime ago. Yeah, it's like life stopped. A tornado tearing through Kent Island in the early morning hours.
Yeah, the cleanup continues and questions over insurance coverage still being answered. ABC 2 News' Don Harrison spent the day in the Bay City community as things are slowly trying to get back to normal.
It's been nearly 10 days since an EF2 tornado touched down in Stevensville on Kent Island. The repair and cleanup started even before the sun came up when the storm ripped through the Bay City community around 1:30 in the morning on July 24th.
We're continuing with debris management and cleanup in the neighborhood. We have made huge strides as far as getting the debris picked up and what have you. I know a lot of the citizens have already met with their insurance companies, and their reconstruction is actually underway today.
The Disaster Assistance Center at Mattapique Elementary School has been here almost a week now. Dozens of people have been through here looking for answers about the insurance and other problems that have risen since the tornado. Many of the problems were resolved quickly.
Delvar Power in the beginning was one of the heroes. We had total power restored to close to 9,000 residents in under 24 hours.
As the cleanup continues on Kent Island, the county is offering other ways to find information. Tonight at 7 o'clock at Mattapique Middle School, the county will have a town hall meeting. Officials will be on hand to answer any questions residents may have about the recovery and cleanup from the tornado. Tonight's meeting is not about the county just giving information. They're also looking for information. They would like some feedback from the community to how they can do a better job the next time. On Kent Island, Don Harrison, ABC 2 News.